Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can change your list icon on Google Maps. So if you head over to Google Maps, you can see that if I click on edit list, there's no such thing as let's say me trying to do it. Now, if I just add a place, let's say any place, I just add a random uh, location, and now I can just click on choose photo, and from here all of the chosen photos I can just select one of these, and this is gonna show for me and I can save it. Or something else you could do is, let's say, contribute. You want to add a place, so you click on it and then you just, let's say that we do something legit, so I'll be back. Let's say this spot. So what I want to do is click on OK. So the place name, let's say it's Mirpur 10 round about. Now in categories, what we can do is we can see all of these different types of things that we can put into. So let's say we select outdoors and recreation, and from there we select tourist attraction, and then we just click on submit and then click on OK. And this location, once approved, will show that particular icon that you chose. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.